Hello dear student, today we will discuss how we can install PyMOL, that is a free open source software that is given by the Schrodinger. We know Schrodinger is a costly, but some module they can provide you with the evaluation version. For the evaluation version, you can put the figure in your thesis report, that is good for the publication point of view. For like today we will discuss how to install PyMol. For that you just go to Google and type here PyMol. As I told you, this is it's look like this PyMol 3.1. Otherwise the PyMol, one of the module that is designed by the Schrodinger only, and PyMol is used for the visualization of the poses. And if you want to take the images of the protein and receptor, that is good for the publication point of view. You can see there are the three options: download, buy, and the PyMol 3 product page. So as I told you, today we will discuss only freeware software. Like this is the paid one is also, that is the install in the Schrodinger only. So we use the free one only. For that we just click the download, and after that there are the installation instruction. You can see there is a list of the important point. You can simply pause the video and see what is it. And as I'm giving you the suggestions only, your C drive should be have enough space to download this software, because this software are heavy. Uh, After the download of the software, we need to operate the content also with the software. For that, C drive should be free. Fine. And there is a certain technical support also. If you want to have the uh, student license from the Schrodinger, they provide that also, but that is for the 3 days only. Fine. There are the four options: Windows exe installer, Windows zip, Mac OS, DMG disk image, and Linux. So, as I am just installing it in my laptop only, so I click this. Thank you for downloading PyMol, that is a Windows exe installer. There is like they have given you the videos also, like how you can operate also. If you want to know about drug design in detail, you can subscribe my channel also. You can see on the right side the PyMol, it is the install. By mistake I clicked twice, so I cancel the second one. This is a PyMol 3.1. for for that we need to just click it only, and there are the option like next. We need as in my laptop there is a 64-bit. I just click only, and there are the few instruction where need to I'll show you. This is a license agreement, and this evaluation type is for only for the 30 days. After 30 day I just uninstall also, because I need to complete one short project in the summer break. You can use the same. After that, go to the next. Like here, we can browse also. Simply, if you want to take the images, you need to save the software into the C drive only. You can see here is a space required 1.9 GB and available is 46 GB. That is a required. If we have less space, it is not advisable to download the software in the C drive only. You can choose any other drive for that. Fine. After that, we need to do the next, and I just quit it also, because I just already installed it for you. Now it's look like this. Like if you are the teacher or you're the student, it is very beneficial. Fine. For that, like there are the very good option. Like if you are the beginner, Definitely please browse it, play with it. Here just I put any PDB name. Mm, any, if you want to study your own PDB, you can type that also. Otherwise, I'll type any PDB. Just download it directly from here. For that, internet should be connected to your system. Fine, it's look like this. Wow. Like if you teach protein to the student also, that is very, this software is very good for the demonstration purpose also. Fine. Oh, yeah. You can see on the left side it show no license files for the valuation only. But for if you are the in the degree or the masters, it is very beneficial for you. Fine. And there are the different pockets. Fine. We can use any image, and there are the certain option build, fragment. As we know, there are the fragment analysis. We can click any option to analyze it. You can see fragment. We can do fragment analysis. If you know fragment based drug design, we can simply give the demo of the lecture with the help of this software. Fine. After that, there is a residues also. Like we know what are the protein, they are the composed of the amino acid. Now you can see all the amino acid, it is in the software. We can easily teach amino acid with the help of this. Alanine, asparagine, arginine, cysteine, glutamine. Student can simply learn about this. Fine. After that, we can suppose we make any video, movie. Fine. After that, we can export the videos also. Export structure also, we can export the map also. For the map, we need to firstly make a map build. We can do sculpture also, auto scripting also. That is for the advanced version. As you are the new for the drug design, you just learn about this. We can export the image also, save png and put the name. After that, we can use this image in our project. Fine. Or we can export movie also. Here we can save the movie also. Fine. It is very useful, you can see. Fine. Like I show you different things. I hope this is very useful to you. If you really feel the subject matter is relevant to you, do not forget to subscribe the channel. And I want to have your genuine suggestions, because now I want to upgrade the channel and want to take one-to-one session, and I thought to have one online course also for that, so that I can help the student in the same direction. Now you can see on the back front, one software is operating. That I'll teach you in the next video. Sorry. Fine. How we done with that? Stay tuned to channel and happy learning. God bless you.